Welcome back to our channel. It's Josh from j-techconsult. Today, we're gonna go through the world of data, from the raw, messy information that business collect every day to the actionable insight that drive business decisions. Have you ever wondered how companies take billions of data points from different sources and transform them into better decisions and reports? Well, today, that's what we're gonna be breaking down, and it is called Data Journey. We're gonna walk through the process of ETL and how it powers the insight you see in your business reports. Let's dive in. And what is ETL? ETL stands for extract, transform, and load. ETL is the backbone of modern data system, and it is the process that ensures data moves from its raw form into something usable for analysis. Let's break it down. Number one, extract. The first step that involves gathering data from different sources. Think of data from websites, applications, sensors, and even social media. It is unstructured and all over the place. The second one, which is transform, is the raw data that is cleaned and transformed into a usable format. It's like taking all that messy data and turning it into something readable, structured, and ready for analysis. This might involve things like filtering out errors, fixing inconsistencies, or combining data from different sources. And the last one, which is load, is the transformed data that is loaded into a database or data warehouse where it can be easily accessed for reporting and analysis. Why is ETL important? Think of a raw data like a pile of unorganized documents, spreadsheets, and notes. It is hard to make sense of it and even harder to use it for business decisions. This is where ETL comes in. ETL organizes all the scattered, inconsistent information into something clean, structured, and ready for analysis. Without ETL, businesses will struggle to combine and analyze data from different sources. Imagine trying to merge data from sales, marketing, and customer service without a system to clean and organize it. It will be a nightmare. Now, let's walk through an example of how the data journey works. Let's say you are a retail business owner and you want to know how your customers are shopping online. You have a customer behavior data on your website, sales transaction data from your store, and inventory data from your warehouse. Here is how ETL turns this raw data into business insights. Using this use case, let's walk through the process of ETL, applying ETL on this example. First, we gather data from all sources, which are website activity logs, sales records, and inventory reports. This data could be in different formats like CSV files, JSON, or even plain text. The second stage, which is transform. Now comes the magic, and here we clean this data. For example, we remove duplicate entries, correct any mistake like missing customer names, or even combine different data sets. For instance, we might match customers' ID across different systems so we can track each customer's entire journey from website visit to sales. And the last stage of the ETL process, which is the load process. After cleaning and transforming this data, we'll load it into a data warehouse where it is organized and accessible. Now, we can run queries on this data to create reports and dashboards like a customer purchase behavior analysis. After walking through the ETL journey, you have the following insights. Which products are your customers buying the most? How often do they return to your website before making a purchase? What is the average time between the first visit and the purchase? Once data is loaded into your system, the next step is turning them into actionable insights. Remember, data itself is not helpful, but it is the interpretation of the data and the context that matters. For example, your report might show that 60% of your customers abandon their shopping cart halfway through. And this insight can lead to an action of, oh, let's simplify the checkout process to increase conversions. It is not just about numbers and charts. It's about understanding why things are happening and how to improve them. To wrap things up, ETL is a process that turns raw data and transforms it into valuable insight that drive business decisions. Whether you are in sales, marketing, customer service, or you are a business owner, understanding the data journey will help you to make smarter decisions faster. So the next time you are looking at a report or dashboard, remember that behind every number that you see, there is a journey behind it, which started from raw data that went into the process of the power of ETL. I hope this video helped you to understand how the data journey works. If you want to understand more about how businesses grow using data, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.